Yo, welcome back to another back testing day with me so we can be ready for Monday. Honestly, today is Monday to Wednesday, but on Monday and on Tuesday, we didn't even take a trade. Monday was a bank holiday, and Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, we were at all-time highs. So, yeah, this video is gonna be fairly short than usual. I'm thinking just like reviewing Tuesday and see if, mm, yeah, since we was at all-time highs, if we retrace the back and see if there was a opportunity for us to enter a trade, and if not, we'll move on to Wednesday, which is the first trade of the week that I actually took. If I'm not wrong, I think I took a loss, if I'm not mistaken. On Thursday, I won. On Friday, I lost. In general, I'm break even, down 150 on the account overall. Here is what the trades that I took and how much I lost and how much I won on the on this week. But yeah, other than that, yeah, let's get straight into our replay. Let me just set this up. Let's leave. So we start first with Tuesday, May 26th. Since Monday it was a bank holiday. Here we go. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, so first off, obviously have this fair value gap. Well, let's go down into lower time frame. Let's start with 15-minute time frame. We have obviously this fair value gap stacked with this one. Looks like we inverse it. We don't. Well, I don't believe we don't. Yeah, we don't inverse it. But yeah, let's see what market did on London and Asia session. Okay, Asia got swept. Honestly, looking for possibly longs. Um, I'll say shorts. Well, yeah, I'll do say shorts will be nice. Yeah, so we can try and fill this gap. Okay. Yeah, on EX we actually are super down. Yeah, did we respect this fair value gap? We did. Okay, okay. Honestly, looking for longs. Longs today would be great. Longs to all time high. Call me crazy. There was no news. Let's go higher time frame. We inverse this. We haven't inversed this 30-minute for value gap on ES as well as on NQ. Inverse this bullish for value gap. Do we have any more? We have this. Okay. Possibly going to take out this and then coming down. Something like this. Sweeping it and then come down to possibly fill these the new week opening gap, which would have been this. But yeah. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, let's move on to a higher time frame. A 1 hour. We inverse the 1 hour for value gap. Honestly, we're looking bullish, if I do say so. On NQ on ES, we're likely, most likely going. Well, no, not really. I do see us. Okay, I do see us going up on ES as well. And I mean, I see us going up or consolidating now that I'm seeing the 4 hour, because we have this fair value gap bullish and this for, well, yeah, it's, mm, see what the other charts look like. Hmm. We could honestly go down on ES and take out this low and then come in right back up. Let me see. I mean, yes, if we close beneath this, that will make us wanting to go long, but we'll see. Okay, so our bias is bullish for the day. If we actually close beneath this 1 hour, we are going down. This is 7:30. Yeah, if we close beneath this, which if I'm not mistaken, that's Asia. That's not. That's a London. Okay. Yeah, pretty much seeing. Yeah, bullish. Let's see what market does when it opened. Okay, first of all, well, let's just keep it at that. Okay, so boom, we sweat out this London lows, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, yes, we did. But on NQ, we didn't, creating, as you guys can see, a SMT divergence to go up, which is honestly what I said would happen. You feel me? And again, since this candlestick already closed and we didn't inverse it, creating another low, but we didn't close above beneath it, so that means we are going up. So there's more chances to go, and there's already two confluences that we want to go down, as well as this fair value gap on the 15-minute on NQ, as well as, well, we actually inverse this, but it doesn't really matter because We didn't even close beneath it, beneath the 1 hour low that I showed you, which is this one right here. So we are bullish. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Boom. What do we see? We see us creating, well, actually inversing this fair value gap, and then obviously in our we obviously hit we feel equilibrium, but on NQ we actually didn't need to feel equilibrium since we did close above this previous 5 minute highs. We closed. Okay. Hmm. So now we need boom. Okay, we inverse this. Okay. Honestly, where's the replay? This. Once we inverse this, looking for longs on NQ. Yeah, looking for longs on NQ, but we're so close to all-time highs that I mean, yeah, I will. What kind of risk to reward ratio is this? You feel me? I honestly wouldn't take this. I'm sorry, I wouldn't take it on ES. I mean, since on the chart we on one chart we are at all-time highs, let's just say we are at all-time highs because we're fairly close to all-time highs. We can inverse anytime. mm, but actually we can trade some again, probably all the way over here. If not, this would be good, as well as this. So I actually wouldn't, well, this is fairly a long stop loss, so I wouldn't trade that. I would honestly wait for some kind of equilibrium on the 1 minute. Okay, we inverse that, which is great. Either I was gonna wait for a equilibrium since we did inverse this 1 minute for value gap, close above previous 1 minute, and we are about to close above previous 5 minutes. So let's wait and see if we can close above it. We closed, long, home, and obviously came for this. Yeah, but honestly, I will honestly fairly go super low risk on this one. Super low risk. But let's see how it plays. Okay, break even. And I think, yeah, would have gone stop down at break even. Well, oh, no, we didn't. We actually would have, yeah. Honestly, did we take out those lows, those highs per se? We didn't. Recreated equal highs. So yeah, no break even. No break even. So that would have been the trade. Boom. Even though I wanted this to be a obviously take profit, honestly just waited for us to close to even more verify that we are going up, which we actually did. We didn't swept out the next take profit, which means we wouldn't have put it our stop loss to break even, granting us a win of 1.39. I mean, yeah, that would have been the trade that I would have taken, but I honestly did saw. Well, yeah, we were on all-time highs on NQ, but on ES we can infer that obviously since we are going up, obviously NQ and ES are synced together, mostly synced together, but not really. Feel me? But you feel me? There are mostly sync. There are mostly markets that are almost the same, but not. You feel me? I'm saying a lot of you feel me, but yeah. That would have been the trade that I would have took on Tuesday. And yeah, let's move on to Wednesday. There was actually a trade that I could have taken on Tuesday, which I didn't. I opted for not trading that day because we were at all-time highs, which is reasonable enough. You don't want to be trading at all-time highs, especially when both of the charts well, are at all-time highs. So yeah, select more. I think a mosquito bot. Oh, I think a mosquito bit me because it's starting to itch my skin. But let's get into Wednesday. No news again. Starting. Okay. We are at all-time highs. I see that. But yeah, let's move on to Wednesday and the last day for today. We are at fairly at all-time highs, especially on NQ, but we are coming down, inversing this 15-minute fair value gap and having this stack of bearish fair value gaps. We also have this bullish fair value gap right here, getting possibly inversed, most likely inversed. Let's see what market did during London and Asia. Asia got swept. Asia lows got swept as well as highs. London hasn't been swept. Okay. Honestly, looking for shorts right away can tell like a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside. I'm talking a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside and as well as equal lows, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, equal lows. Equal lows, a lot of low resistance liquidity, and unfortunately, we didn't fill the new week opening gap. Yeah, we are going lower. I would love to see market give us some type of retracement to go lower and take out equal lows as well as fill this new week opening gap. Okay, we already marked down. Okay. Let's mark this same stuff on NQ that we did on ES. This we have this 15-minute stack of bullish fair value gaps. Boom. As well as this one. Hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure in ES we are probably gonna go. I mean, we are gonna go lower than NQ, so the ideal trade would have and is taking it on ES. So yeah, let's see what market would like to do. Let's move on to 30-minute. Yeah, we still have time for us to tell if we would invest this 30-minute fair value gap, which is the last stacked. It's a 30-minute fair value gap. We also have fair value gaps right here, 30-minute, and as well as 15 minutes. So keep that in mind. Let's move on to NQ. NQ, we have this massive 30-minute fair value gap, as well as this one. Let's move up. Yeah, move up to the 1 hour and see what will tell us. We do have this stack of 1 hour fair value gaps on NQ. On ES, we actually inverse those both. Yeah, honestly, we are looking. I'm gonna keep it a buck. We might sweep this equal lows and then get back up. I honestly don't think we are gonna fill the new week opening gap because of NQ's strong um because NQ is honestly super strong on bullish trades, as you guys can see. And on the 4 hour time frame, we inverse this 4 hour fair value gap, and other than that, there's nothing. Okay, let's see what market did when we opened. Let's see. Oh, whoa. So, I mean, we swept out mostly all of the liquidity, if I'm not mistaken. London, yeah. London. We swept all of London. I mean, let's see what we did on NQ. Yup. Yeah. Sheesh. I mean, we are in this fair value gap right here. Oh, we actually inverse this fair value gap. Oh, that is crazy. That is crazy. We actually inverse it on NQ. But on ES, we actually didn't. Okay, honestly, still looking for shorts. Still looking for shorts, even though obviously it didn't. Well, in order for us to actually go up, I would love to see us. In order for us to go up, we will have to close above that 5 minute high, and as well as this one, which I honestly don't see it likely at all. So I'm gonna mark this. I'm gonna mark this equilibrium too. So I mean, yeah, we inverse all of the liquidity. We inverse it on the 15 minute. Oh, but not on the 30 minute. Ooh, okay. We inverse all of the all of the 15-minute fair value gaps to the downside. I mean, what else can we say on NQ? We are going lower. I do fairly think we may go lower again if as long as we don't close above this 5-minute fair value gap. I mean, 5-minute high on both of the charts, we should be cool. Honestly, okay, we inverse that fair value gap, which it's amazing. So now, honestly, I'm just waiting for us to either inverse this or yeah, inverse that. Let's see. Hopefully, we can. And where should we take the trade? I honestly am looking for ES. So yeah. Oof, we're getting relatively closer. So it's boom, 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 boom. Okay, okay. How about on the S? Okay, let's see a bit more. I want to see a bit more if we actually inverse this or if we don't. Boom. Okay, we actually didn't. Oh, okay. And on even though we ES is the more cleaner chart, I am looking for NQ. We also created a 15-minute fair value gap on both of the charts. Okay, on ES we let's see. As long as we don't close above it, we didn't. Hmm, We actually didn't, and instead created, if I'm not mistaken, equal highs, equal highs. While on NQ stayed below, and also respected this fair value gap. Oops. Which honestly would have shorted right here after this. And there we go. Yep. Hmm. Let's equal highs. Now our take profit honestly would love to take a London, but yeah. Okay, and let's play the market. Play. Play the market to see how this trade would have gone. Oh, we're going actually good. Boom. We gotta keep in mind that actually this isn't the leading index, so We gotta make sure that if we take out this equal lows on ES first, then on and then our take profit on AQ, then we have to take the trade out. So let's see what market does. Yeah, since not only did we didn't inverse it, once we didn't close above it, once we didn't close above it two times. So creating again, if I'm not mistaken, a SMT divergence. Yeah, a 5 minute SMT divergence. Yeah. So yeah, I'm holding this. I'm not placing my stop loss to break even. Boom. We'll see what happens. We gotta check if yes. Yup. Okay, we are going super great on ES. As long as we no, I mean yeah, it's going great honestly. So yeah, let's just stick with it a few more minutes. Hopefully we don't take out ES first. Let's see. No, we haven't. Yeah, just let it ride. Let it ride. Let's see if ES took out those. Oof, we're fairly close. Okay, super close. So we gotta be careful here. We gotta time it whenever obviously ES takes out those equal lows. Yeah, let's go to the 5 minute just to speed it up. Did we take out those? Okay, we did take out these equal lows. So I would have taken all of my trades out, which would have been around 1.55. I would have taken out around here. So yeah, that would honestly would have been the trade of Wednesday. Not bad if I do say so myself. For me, another well, yes, yeah, no, yeah, this would have been the trade that I would have taken. Obviously, like I said, I would have to take it out if ES takes out these equal loads first. So I mean, yeah, that is going to be for today's back testing day. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for another back testing day so we can be ready for Monday. This was day 54 of the road getting my first payout back testing day slash edition. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for again another back testing day. There's no news Tuesday nor Wednesday, so we are good. And also, we are starting the month on Monday. So we're starting the new month on a Monday, which means that it honestly doesn't mean anything, but it just means that it's like, how do I say it? Let me think of the word. It's like the start of a new week slash the start of a new month because we start on May 1. We start Monday and then Tuesday. I don't know if I explained myself, but yeah, yeah. So you guys can see Sunday and the month of May, and on Monday 1 we start June. So it's a brand new month, brand new. I don't know how to explain it, but it's overall a new start of a new week, start of a new month. That's it. I didn't know how to explain it, but you feel me? I didn't know how to explain it, but my mind was just scrambling, which happens unfortunately sometimes. But yeah, other than that, I mean, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, on Monday we start the new month, we start the new week. It's a great time to start. And yeah, it's a great month. It's a great week. We will have a great month. We will have a great week. And yeah, overall, we will have a nice month slash life. I'm yapping too much, but other than that, that's gonna be it. I know I've been saying that that's gonna be it, but yeah, that's the end of the video. See you guys tomorrow for another back testing day. See ya.